Hello guys, welcome back, and today we want to look at how to solve indices. A typical example is here. We have 81 raised to power 2x times 27 raised to x all over 9 raised to x is equals to 729. So this one is very simple. I'll start by reducing each one of them to the smallest base. I know 81 is the same as 3 raised to power 4. 27 is the same as 3 raised to power 3, while 9 is the same as 3 squared. So replacing this and this in my equation, I know also 729 is the same as 3 raised to power 6. So replacing, I'll have 3 raised to power 4. Outside I have 2x times 3 raised to power 3. Outside I have x all over 3 raised to power 2. Outside I have x is equals to 3 raised to power 6. Okay, using the laws of indices, I can open the bracket here, and 3 raised to power 4 times 2x is 3 raised to power 8x times 3 raised to power 3 times x, it is 3 raised to power 3x all over 3 raised to power 2x is equals to 3 raised to power 6. I'll use this relationship. If I have a raised to power n times a raised to power m, then this simply means I'll take a raised to power n plus m. That is a law. So this law will guide me here. So it is 3 raised to power 8x plus 3x all over 3 raised to power 2x is equals to 3 raised to power 6. So adding the power I'll have, I'm going to have 3 raised to power 11x divided by 3 raised to power 2x is equals to 3 raised to power 6. Now, if I have this law, a raised to power n divided by a raised to power m, then I'll take a raised to power n minus m. So that means I'll take 3 raised to power 11x minus 2x is equals to 3 raised to power 6. 11x minus 2x, I'll have 9. So 3 raised to power 9x is equals to 3 raised to power 6. I'll drop the bases, and my x now becomes 6 over 9. 6 over 9 can be simply be written as maybe 2 over 3. 2 over 3. And when you take this, then that becomes the solution for our equation here. Thank you once again. I hope you have enjoyed. Let's meet next time.